Good Friday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Well, we have another very interesting forecast for you. It has been changing. We have a colder trend happening, and that means snow moving into the lower elevations tomorrow. Today, actually looking pretty nice out there right now. We got a lot of sunshine. We got a kind of a weak ridging happening right now, so a ridge of high pressure, so clearing out the clouds right now. So good amount of sunshine as we start off this Sunday. Things will be changing. We'll see increasing clouds as we head into the afternoon. Still a few rain showers up there in the northeast corner of the state, where I think over the last 24 hours got some like 1.83 inches of rain up there close to Sedgwick. So a lot of storm activity there yesterday afternoon. That system, the heavy stuff, the severe weather has pushed off to the east, moving into Nebraska, Kansas. We are in store for showers this afternoon, potentially a thunderstorm. Again, we're not talking severe weather. That has pushed off to the east, but potentially some small hail, some lightning strikes, thunder, of course, some gusty winds as well. But again, not happening out there right now. We have got, again, this weak ridging happening, and that is keeping us pretty clear of any activity in and around the metro area. At least we've got a few clouds out there. We will see some increasing clouds again as we head into the afternoon. Already up to 63 degrees, winds out of the northwest, 14 miles per hour. Let's check out those current temperatures. What a pleasant start to your Friday. 64 in Greeley, we're at 63 in Lyman, 62 in Colorado Springs, 71 degrees in Pueblo, and as you head up into the high country, we're looking at 30s, 40s, and low 50s up there. So your weather headlines for this Friday, and as we head into the weekend, things will get a little bit interesting. So cooler today. We will have some scattered afternoon showers, and again, possibly some of those showers embedded with a thunderstorm, but not expecting anything severe. We do have a strong spring storm moving in tomorrow. A lot of moisture associated with this storm. So we're seeing a good amount of rain across the plains, heavy snow up in the high country, in the foothills, even getting some snow, and I-25 west actually looking like we'll get a little bit of snow as well. So does that mean snow for the metro area? Models are showing, yes, it does look like light accumulating snow, not impactful snow. Certainly going to be impactful snow up in the high country where we get a foot plus of snow falling up there, and that does include the passes. That's going to impact travel. But as we head through the day on Saturday into Sunday, again, some of that snow will look to accumulate at the lower elevations as well. So again, we're looking at, and where it doesn't snow out farther east, we're talking heavy rain. So 1 to 3 inches of rain expected across the plain. We're going to see some heavy wet snow along the I-25 corridor, and 1+ foot of snow up there in the high country. Taking a look at our HD Doppler right now, and again, you can see kind of in the clear here along the I-25 corridor in the metro area up to the northeast. You're getting a little bit of wraparound moisture, again gradually pushing off to the east, where that is where we'll find the severe weather as we head into the afternoon. But we will still increasing showers across the plains and here in the metro area. Let's go ahead and put our forecast into motion here with our futurecast. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon, and while we start to see those widely scattered showers popping up, not just across the high country, bringing some snow up there as well, but down here along the I-25 corridor and out towards the northeast as well as we head into the evening hours. Again, could see some thunderstorm activity, heavier downpours both in and around the metro area, up and down the I-25 corridor, becoming a bit more widespread across the metro area as we head into the 8-9 o'clock hour, and then it clears out a bit of a break. But as we head into tomorrow morning, this is where this moisture, the system moves in, bringing a lot of moisture in the form of both rain and snow. Going to start out as rain here in the metro area along the I-25 corridor. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're getting some heavy snow up there in the northern mountains and foothills. But as we head into this is 7:30 tomorrow morning, you start to see a little bit of a transition. By 11 o'clock, models showing, again, snow in the mountains, the foothills, and in the metro area stretching along I-25 south to Colorado Springs, where we could see anywhere from 0 to 2 inches of snow when all is said and done come Sunday. So this is Saturday night, and again, we clear out here in the metro area. Again, still storms, though, across the eastern regions of the state, across the plains, before that system moves out, leaving behind just a chance for some early showers on Sunday, drying out by Sunday evening. We do have a risk for just a general thunderstorm, not, again, the severe weather well to the east of us, but could see some strikes of lightning, hear some claps of thunder, and potentially some small hail. As for precipitation, the model's coming in a little bit more in line with what we could see. So this is tomorrow at about 10:30. Close to a half an inch, 0.41 inches here in the metro area, Colorado Springs. 6/10 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch of rain down in Pueblo. But again, as we head into Sunday morning, we're looking at close to 1.5 inches precipitation here in the metro area. And of course, some of that models now showing falling as snow. So as we head, here's a statewide look. We're going to get some really impressive amounts up there in the high country. You know, we're looking at 10 plus, a foot plus inches of snow in some areas. We head in through Sunday. And as we take a closer look at the foothills and the Front Range, this is through, I'm going to take this back a little bit. We don't need to go all the way into Monday, but let's go into about, there we go, Sunday morning. This is about 2 o'clock Sunday morning. And we'll keep it going until about 9 o'clock. Okay, you can see, yeah, I mean, Eldora, foot plus, Allen's Park, 16 plus inches, 14 plus inches, and Estes Park, potentially an inch or so in the Boulder area by, again, Sunday at 9 o'clock. Here in the metro area, really showing just potentially a trace of snow. This is going to be wet, heavy snow. Some folks in our weather department, I was just getting off the phone with Corey Reppenhagen. He was thinking maybe, you know, anywhere from a trace to 2 inches here in the metro area. I'm thinking we could get a trace to half an inch, possibly an inch here in the metro area when all is said and done. So as a result, we do have some winter weather to talk about. It's not just spring weather anymore with the thunderstorms and the heavy rains. We still have a little bit of that winter-like weather to talk about in our forecast. We have winter weather advisory, and for the higher elevations, that's about 9,000 feet for, again, some areas getting a foot plus of snow. We do have a winter storm warning, a winter storm watch, again, for everywhere that you see there in light blue. That's above about 6,000 feet. That doesn't include the northern mountains as well as the foothills, where we can see up to 18 inches of snow. So again, the colder weather, the colder air, the cooler trend moving down to the lower elevations as well as we head through the day tomorrow and into Sunday. As for today, a little bit cooler, but not too bad, making it up about 68 degrees here in the metro area, 66 in Colorado Springs. We're looking at 40s and 50s up there in the mountains. We don't have the red flag warning has expired. I don't know why that's in there. We'll go ahead and take that one out. So not too much of an issue for us when it comes to fire danger right now, because we're going to get a lot of moisture moving in. So your forecast for the metro area today: scattered afternoon showers and storms, partly sunny, make it up to about 68 degrees. Here's a look at that severe thunderstorm risk. Again, we do not have one. Just the risk is for just general thunderstorms, and that means, you know, just some lightning strikes, some thunder, potentially some small hail, but we're not talking about large hail damaging winds or isolated tornadoes. That risk has moved well to the east of us. Tonight, some scattered showers, potentially some thunderstorms, cloudy skies, temperatures dropping down into the low 40s. Again, a rain, a chance for storms tomorrow, 45 degrees, but again, we could see some of that wet, heavy snow even down here in the metro area, anywhere from a trace to about an inch of snow at this point. We're going to keep monitoring this. I'm going to actually, right when I get done with this, go ahead and check the models once again, because it seems like the trend is getting cooler and cooler as we head throughout the morning. So again, just going to kind of go over the snow chances again and those snow totals. But it does look at this point like we could see some flakes flying even here in the metro area tomorrow. So rain, snow, and the potential for some thunderstorms tomorrow. Showers ending Sunday. And then we have high pressure building in. That's going to bring us some sunny skies. Temperatures climbing back into the 70s by Tuesday. And then again, a chance for some unstable weather, a little bit of thunderstorm activity Wednesday night into Thursday, and then we're mostly sunny, 72 by next Friday. That is a quick look at your weather on this Friday morning. We will keep you posted on this seemingly changing forecast and the models picking up and changing and bringing a little bit of colder air in and potentially some snow here in the metro area. We will keep you posted on the forecast throughout the day on our network of stations on 9 News Plus, on 9news.com, and of course here on 9 News. We will keep you updated on the forecast and the chances for snow, the chances for heavy rain, and even temperatures in the 70s as we head into next week. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Enjoy your day.